I love Kosas' line of moisturizing lipsticks, really pigmented and the most moisturizing lip color I've ever worn.
So which shade would you pick for me?
I would love to see you in Stardust.
Cool.
This is a really beautiful neutral, not a nude, so it's not going to make your lips lighter than they are, but it's going to be a good neutral for every day. This one is going to be good for people that are a little bit more yellow toned or olive toned, a little bit warmer. There is an alternative to this if someone were a little bit cooler or more pink toned to you, which is called rose water. But I'm going to put Stardust on you today.
All right, let's try it.
Beautiful. Formula is very moist, so it glides on very easily. This is a great everyday color for you. Gorgeous. I love it. And then the one that I'm wearing is Kosas Thrillist. Thrillist is a true red with a little bit more orange in it, but it also still has a little bit of blue. So because it has a little bit of blue, it's wearable even for folks that have a hard time wearing something very orange. So this is something that is very popular. They also have Electra. Electra here is going to be a true red that airs more on the blue side. So for people that are a little bit more pink undertoned, Electra would be the better choice for them.
Cool.